Introducing the 2026 Volkswagen Tiguan RL2 0TDI DSG. This sleek black estate jot Jeep is a powerhouse with 150 horsepower and a 2-litre engine, packed with all the comforts and accessories you could ever need, like ambient lighting, satellite navigation, and Bluetooth phone connectivity. Safety is a top priority, with features such as collision alert, lane departure warning, and multiple airbags. The Tiguan also boasts stylish touches, like roof rails, privacy glass, and LED lights. With an anti-corrosion warranty, energy recuperation, and self-driving capabilities, this vehicle has it all. Buy with confidence knowing it has a full multi-point health and safety check, comprehensive warranty, and is serviced to manufacturer specification. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity. Call us today or visit our website michaelmoore.ie for more information.